Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create scheduled uploads on YouTube. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is of course come to the YouTube website, and then you're going to have to make sure you're actually logged in. Once you're logged in, we're going to be coming up to the top right of our YouTube. We're going to be coming to the create option right here. We're going to be clicking this open, and then we're going to be clicking the upload a video option. Once you're brought to this screen, what we're going to be doing is dragging and dropping any video in here you would like to schedule on YouTube. In this case, I have this video I have made before on how to use cheats in RetroArch. What I'm going to be doing is dragging and dropping this video file onto here, and we're going to be changing a couple of settings in the video to actually be able to do it. So for the most part, you can do your details, right management, monetization, ad suitability, and video elements as you normally would. What we're going to be doing is coming to the visibility section at the end, and instead of using this first section here with private, unlisted, members only, and public, what we're going to be doing is clicking the schedule option right here at the bottom. If we click this open, we'll get some more options to set up a date and a time, along with the time zone here. If you hover over, you can see what time zone you're currently in, and we will also have the option to set as a premiere. So all you need to do is select the date and time you'd like to upload this video. So for me in this example, I'm going to be selecting August 24th, and I'm going to be selecting it for 7 p.m. Once you're happy with all of your settings, all you need to do is come down to the bottom right and click schedule. Now for the moment, my video is still currently being uploaded. It's currently on 67%. And once your video is fully uploaded, you can still come in and change all the settings, tags, thumbnail, even while your video is scheduled. And once your video is scheduled to go out, everything will go out at that date and time, and it works really, really well. There doesn't seem to be a limit on how many videos you can schedule, so you can have multiple scheduled videos at one time. And it's really great if you can batch create videos. You can really easily upload them, have everything attached and ready to go, and then the video will go live at the date you set. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to create scheduled uploads on YouTube. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.